Okay, so we are going to go through a social video sniper video, how to create one step by step. So the first thing you're going to do is use your login details that we sent you. You're going to go to dashboard.socialvideosniper.com and log in, and you'll see the all of the links down here on the side. So first thing you're going to want to do is go here to videos. You can see all the videos. For example, you can see a few videos here that I've done, and then right, oops, well, there we go, right here. Okay, there we go. And then how to add a video. So let's go ahead and add a new video. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is give it a title. So we'll call it concrete. We're going to use a little video of me, and we're going to go, we need the URL, so we'll go to YouTube. Now I am using my video, one of my own videos. I don't know why I'm not signed in here all of a sudden. I'm going to use one of my videos. There we go. That I have uploaded, but you can do it with any video. So I can use any video at all that I want. Does not have to be my video. As long as it has a YouTube link, we can use it. So let's go ahead and put my video URL in here. We'll hit next. And the logo. So what I want to do is I want to upload a logo. I'm going to select. Now I like transparent backed PNGs. So I'm going to select a file. I'm going to go to there we go. I have made specifically this PNG. It's about 50 pixels across, specifically for Social Video Sniper for use on my with my other business. I'm going to upload that. So you have to select it, then you have to upload it, and then you want to choose where it goes. Now, me personally, I like to put it on the bottom right, and you'll see why later is because it goes right over the YouTube link that YouTube automatically puts in Facebook videos, and it makes it unclickable, so people can't go into YouTube, which is exactly what you don't want them to do. Also, you're going to select a skin. I like this skin right here. It's the actual YouTube skin. It looks just like YouTube. It makes people comfortable. They know what they're clicking on. It's not something funky. So we'll call it concrete. Oops, concrete back kick. And now, image. This is where it is kind of important to select or to make sure that you're doing this right. You have to have an image that is 400 by 400 pixels. So what I like to do is I like to take a cool. Let's take maybe this final image right here. Hello. There we go. Let's take this final image right there. Boom. I am going to screenshot, and then I'm going to go into this little program right here. It's called IR Fan View. It's a free program. I'm going to cut this right here, and I have to make it into as much of a square as I can. You'll be surprised how bad you are at making a square when you try this. I'm going to crop the image, and then I'll go into resize, and I'll make it, oh, I got it, 392 and 393. Look at that. I am so good. I'm going to make it 400. I am not going to preserve the aspect ratio because it knows that I don't like to do that, by 400. Okay, then I'm going to save it. Save it as clipboard. That's fine. Go back into my dashboard. So I'm going to select that file that I just made. It's on my desktop. It's called clipboard1. I'm going to upload that file, and it's going to be right here. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can put a little play button on the front of it, just in case it doesn't show up, but it should show up like this. And this is what it's going to look like. Concrete back kick. Master William breaks some concrete. Hey, super cool. I'm going to finish that up. Okay, so the new video is done. And if I take this link right now to Facebook. Let's find a let's find one of my pages that I never use. There we go, and I put it in here. You can see that I test things. You're gonna put the link in there. Facebook's gonna do its work. It's gonna pull out a preview. You're gonna remove the link, write whatever you want. Hey, check this out. Then when you post it, it's gonna show up just like this. So you've got, hey, check this out, concrete back kick. You've got this little image that you made, anything you wanted it to say. You hit play, and it pops up, and it has the video. There we go. It has the video right here playing from YouTube inside Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and pause that. This is the, well, let's go ahead and... Oh, that's pretty cool. I like it. I'd never done that before when I did that. This is the logo down here that we... Jeez, I am such a good circle drawer. Look at me. Hey, that's the logo that we had that I uploaded earlier. Okay. Now, if I play this... Oops. Play this. Oh, you'll notice right now that the logo is not clickable. Okay, but neither is the YouTube link, because it's a skin. So let's say I want that logo to go to my website, which this is not how I would advertise for my martial arts school, by the way. Let's say that I want that logo to be a clickable button. I am going to go to edit. That was in the actions right here. On the logo right here, logo position. Remember we had it bottom right. Logo URL HTTP. I'm gonna go to whiteboardwebsites.com just because I want to. Right now, you don't have to do anything else. You don't have to paste it or anything inside the inside Facebook. If you just save it in Social Video Sniper, save changes, it pops down to say update successful. You can close that now, and you go back to your site. If you refresh Facebook, let's refresh Facebook one more time just to be sure. And hey, check this out. Now when I play that and I scroll over the logo, you see it's going to light up a little bit. Hey, now it's clickable. Check that out. Now I click that, and I go to MA Whiteboard Websites, which is exactly where you should be getting your website done from. Hey, there we go. So anyway, let's close that out. That is how to make a clickable logo. Now, let's say I want a call to action button. A call to action button would be right down here. So you can add a whole bunch of stuff here. You'll have to kind of see what all this stuff is. But the number one thing that people like to do is add a call to action button. So on the videos, I have to choose which video I want to add it to. I'm going to add it to the concrete back kick video. I'm going to turn it on, and I like to have it at the bottom for this. I would like to have it at the bottom for this particular video, just because it's a nice little space down there. You can put it at the top, wherever you want to put it. I'm going to select, again, I like transparent background buttons. And you can find these on Google. You can make them, whatever. I've got this learn more.png, so like check this out. I want to do learn more PNG. Images. Boom. Look at all these transparent background PNG that you're going to have. You know, now obviously don't steal them if they're not, you know, if they're not free use, but a lot of them are. Okay. So I selected that. I'm going to upload that. Here's the preview of what I'm going to see. Link URL, HTTP, whiteboard websites.com. Now, display timer, always on versus timed. If you want yours to be always on, or like right when the guy breaks the concrete, you can have a timer to say, hey, did you like that? You can learn more. Let's go ahead and put it always on. We'll save it. It is done saving. Now we can go back here. Let's refresh the page, and you'll see we have a learn more button right here. Now this one is a little big and it's over my logo. I didn't change it at all, but if I click that button, it pops up and says, hey, MA Whiteboard Websites. Okay, so that is how you do a button. And I had at one point used what am I trying to say? Get out of here. Used these videos to collect email addresses. I don't so much do that anymore. I like to have a call to action button going to a really effective website. For example, one of our MA Whiteboard websites that actually gives them more information before asking them for an email address. You can and do and will get email addresses from these videos. It's perfectly okay. And if you want to do that, what you do is you go here to add an email form. If you are one of our if you have a website from me, whether it's in the martial arts industry or anywhere else, I'll give you all of the HTML to use, but it's basically an opt-in box. You enable it. Again, you can time it if you like. You can do an API connection, but I don't like to do the API. I like to do other, and then HTML code. Paste in your HTML code, and then you can change the appearance and stuff here. So I don't necessarily do that anymore. It is a very, very cool feature, but I like to push traffic to a real website that gives them a little bit more value before asking them for an email address. So other than that, that is the main way that I use it. Again, there's a lot of other things here. You can add a social button. You can add a traffic redirect. You can add a pop-up link. You can even add a share gate that forces them to share the video before they can see the rest of it. You can even time the share gate so that they can watch part of the video, but if they wanted to see the cool thing you like, let's say you have a jiu-jitsu school and you've got some awesome move that you're going to teach them, and you're going to show the move. It's a 2-minute video, and minute 1 is how to set up the move, and right before you how to execute the move, you say, hey, share this video to see the execution. I mean, that's pretty cool, right? So you can do all that stuff, and of course you can email me if you need help. So that is the basics, though. Hope you guys have fun with it.